Probably the biggest satisfaction I get is when I see somebody learn something. I've been here 43 years and I haven't learned everything. My name is John Wagar. I'm the technical training lead for the Moorhead factory. Our product is bone dry. The sugar is dry. We take the moisture out of it. There's a little bit of bound moisture, but it's basically bone dry. The sugar beet is only 18% sugar. And so you have to ask yourself, what's the rest? And 75% of the sugar beet is water. We have to deal with all that water. That's our issue, is how do you clean up the water and how do you manage it? Our wastewater does contain some sugar, so we break that down and turn it into methane gas that we can use in our process. We have tailings that now are going to be sold and used to generate ethanol. We evaporate the water out of the sugar beet, and that accounts for the majority of it. That doesn't take much cleaning because it's pure water. We capture the heat from it and process the water, and then when it meets discharge quality, we can discharge it back into the river. It looks like tap water. It could be 2% of what we're slicing today can be black dirt that came in with the sugar beets. It's not going to end up in the sugar. Most of it we can wash off and keep it out of our process. And that dirt is separated and it's used, we spread it on fields. We can land apply it right back on fields that will be farmed in the next year. One of our byproducts is the pulp. The pulp makes up about 5% of the sugar beet. And so we capture all that, we dry it, and we pelletize it, and the pellets are sold as cattle feed. The sugar beets like high pH soils. And so the waste lime that we produce, all of it, plus a little bit more, is brought back out to fields and used for the sugar beets. So we're not gaining on our piles are actually shrinking. Well, it's necessary, and we're also good stewards to the environment.
America's sugar farmers and workers continue to build a brighter future by producing sugar sustainably.